This is the amazing hair growth cream we will be making today. It is very effective to grow your hair, to give it smoothness, to give it shine. It is very simple. It only requires 4 ingredients. It is also very effective, and if you're looking for a simple hair cream to use, this cream is amazing because of the natural ingredients and also how it will just stimulate your hair growth, how it will give you shine, it prevents dryness and all of that good stuff. You can use it on both your hair, on your scalp, on your protective hairstyle. You don't have to wash it out of your hair at all. It is a lightweight cream, non greasy at all, and it is very creamy. So we are going to be making use of some amazing ingredients such as ginger. And please like this video, share this video to your friends and family. If you are just tuning in for the very first time to this channel, thank you so much. May God bless you all as you stay tuned. So we are going to be making use of ginger. As you can see, I'm using the bark as well because I found out that the bark also have an amazing benefits. It has some vitamins in promoting hair growth, especially if you want to infuse it in your oil. So I'm going to be using ginger. If you are lazy to peel the back of your ginger, you can leave it, especially for the oil part, if you are using it as a oil infusion. So it is optional, guys. If you want, you can leave it like I am doing in this video. So I'm going to be also using black seed. The second ingredient is black seed. Black seed is also known to promote hair growth. It is good for both the health of your hair. We are mainly focused on the healthiness of our scalp. When your scalp is healthy, then your hair will grow and your hair will be healthy as well. Black seed helps to nourish and smoothen your hair. It helps with scalp conditions and promotes hair growth. So the third ingredient is our aloe vera plant. Aloe vera is a very cooling and soothing plant that is known to leave your hair feeling very good. It helps with itchy scalp. Aloe vera cleanses your hair as well, promotes hair growth. It promotes a room for a more healthier, shinier and softer hair. It contains some amazing vitamins which help in strengthening and repairing your hair strands. Aloe vera contains amino acid and some amazing minerals, like I said earlier. So I'm going to be adding in my aloe vera into my bowl. I have my ginger already grated, my black seed and my aloe vera. So I'm going to be adding in my oil to infuse it. You can use any oil of your choice. I'm going to be using extra virgin olive oil. You can use olive oil, coconut oil, palm kernel oil, flaxseed oil, or any other oil. So I'm going to be having a combination of my mustard oil, olive oil and my flaxseed oil. You can use any oil of your choice. So I will add it to it and then I will move over to a double boiling method to infuse my ingredients. Right now our oil is ready. As you guys can see, everything is looking brown, so you don't want to burn down the ingredient. So our oil is ready, and I'm going to be using this cloth. You can use a cheesecloth or a filter or anything that will allow you to strain your oil. So as you can see, it is very clear, looking beautiful. Our oil infusion is ready. This oil is powerful. It contains ginger, black seed, and our aloe vera. So if you just want to use your oil like that, you can use it like that by not squeezing it too much, because the aloe vera and the ginger contains water, whereby when you start squeezing everything, it is going to bring out water. So if you just want to use your oil, you can stop right here. But I have a wax that I will be mixing to my oil, which is going to give us a creamy look. The wax is going to help us combine the water and the oil together, because normally oil and water does not mix together. So I'm going to be using a little bit of my wax. You can use beeswax or any type of wax. The wax that I'm going to be using is a behenyl alcohol. It is actually a derived wax that will give smoothness and consistency to your cream, to your product. Okay, so as you guys can see, I squeezed it very well. While squeezing it, there was water coming out, so I don't want my oil to be, I just want everything to combine. So I'm going to be using 5 grams of my wax. This is a very waxy, this is a very white creamy wax known as behenyl alcohol. It will help to combine everything together, make it smooth, and it also makes it slightly thicker, not too thick like beeswax. Okay, if you want a very thicker viscosity, you can use beeswax or any other type of wax of your choice. So I'm going to be using this little wax to combine everything together. You can use any wax, like I said, of your choice. So you can add in shea butter or any cream. If you want a creamer, more thicker cream, you can add in shea butter or any butter, avocado butter, mango butter of your choice. Like I said in the beginning, I am making a very simple product that you guys will really enjoy and will not make your hair greasy at all. It will also give you that benefit because of the ingredients that we have used from the beginning. So the creaminess is amazing, guys. So you guys will see what it looks like in the end. It is very creamy. It will nourish your hair. It will not feel weighed down at all. It is extremely lightweight. So you can add any other ingredient, like I said, you can add anything that you want to add. So after everything has combined together, mix for a while. Then after about some minutes, it is going to melt down completely, and then you can store it in your jar of your choice. So guys, our oil, everything is melted. I went ahead to add in a little bit of our natural preservative and some essential oil. You can add in any other ingredient of your choice, and then mix it very well and pour it into your jar. Voila, our hair cream is ready. It is very simple, very effective. So like I said in the beginning, I am making a very simple, effective hair cream. So you guys will love this because it is very nice and simple to make. With less ingredients, you can achieve a simple, effective hair cream. So I will put it in the fridge for it to get to the final viscosity, and it is not going to be very thick. Okay, this is going to be very creamy, like a cream. Okay, so I absolutely love the viscosity. If you want a very thicker or more creamy cream, you can add in more wax. Like I use just 5 grams. You can make yours to be 10 grams. You can add in your butter to make it more creamy, to your choice. So can you guys see how beautiful this is? It is looking very, very great, very creamy. You can enjoy this, like your hair is going to love it. It will give it that creaminess. It will make your hair nourished. It will prevent dryness, prevent breakage, no more dry hair, no more dull hair. It will give it it will make your hair shiny. And also use it on your scalp because of the amazing benefit. It have ginger, it have black seed, it has aloe vera. So guys, your hair is going to love this. So don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell notification. Please subscribe. Okay guys, this cream will make your hair feel less greasy. Even if you use it 20 times a week, it will not make your hair greasy at all, but rather shiny, smooth, and preventing breakage and also promoting hair growth